Hello, vintage outboard motor fans. This is T-Mike here in South Louisiana, making another video this morning. This morning's video is on restore number 120. It's for Craig, and it's his 1973 18 horsepower Evinrude. Craig brought me this motor and said it was running good. He just had a couple of things on it. I added him a kill switch in here, just like the original kill switch that was on it. He had a idle speed knob that wasn't holding. I had to replace a pin, a rubber pin on it. And he also wanted me to pretty it up, so I cleaned her up, sanded her down, painted her, decaled her, and also replaced the impeller and tested the gear case and the gear oil. And she came out really good. I like that light blue color, 1973. Got my paint from Vintage Outboard Paints. Looks real good. Didn't run too good when I ran it in the barrel. Had to clean the carb, and that took care of it. It runs good now. So I'm about to take her out on a Bayou test this morning, and we'll see how she runs. If everybody's ready, here we go. Well, I got her out on the Bayou this morning, and that's a screaming motor. I shut her down at 23 miles an hour. I don't know how much more she had, probably 25, 26 on my 14-foot feathercraft here. It's a great motor, man. It runs absolutely beautiful. Idles, started third crank. Nice little restore here for Craig. Let's take it for a run, see if I can keep my cap on. Here we go. Yes, sir. She is a beauty. They don't make them like this anymore. I love it. I love it. Let's check the reverse on her. Neutral. Reverse. Works good. Kill switch. Stops her right up. And let's see if I can give her a start. Yes, sir. Easy pull. She's a beauty. Let's give her a run again. I love what I do. I love taking these motors and making them look new again. It's my passion, and I enjoy it. I hope you guys enjoy it too. Craig, come get it when you're ready, buddy. She's good to go. See y'all next video. I'm gonna take her on in now. Hope you enjoyed the video. Here at T Mike's Vintage Outboards, we're doing it one motor at a time. Please click on subscribe. I guarantee to provide weekly videos. Thank you very much. Au revoir, mes amis, and laissez les bon temps rouler. Aïe!